How to use USAdrop complete tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're looking to start or scale a dropshipping business without relying on unreliable marketplaces or slow suppliers, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to be walking you through USAdrop, which is a professional dropshipping fulfillment platform trusted by sellers worldwide. I'll show you how to find winning products, connect your store, place orders, and work with agents, and avoid the common mistakes that beginners make. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use USAdrop the right way, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, what exactly is USAdrop? It's a global dropshipping and fulfillment platform with its own private supplier network. So they work directly with verified manufacturers and suppliers, which means that you have better quality control, faster processing, more stable supply chains, and competitive pricing for scaling stores. USAdrop serves customers worldwide, with a strong focus on the US and Europe, but you're not limited to those regions. You can get started with dropshipping anywhere at any time. Now, to get started with connecting USAdrop to your store, all you need to do is click on the link provided in the description box down below. Now, when you click on that link, all you need to do is proceed with account creation on USAdrop, and you're going to be connecting USAdrop by going into your Shopify app store and just search for USAdrop over here. Once you do that, you will see the USAdrop application that is on the Shopify app store. Just click on install, and this will proceed with the installation of the application onto your store. Now, once you do that, your Shopify store is now going to be connected to your USAdrop account. So proceed with installation over here. And once you proceed with installation, this is going to be your interface. So you're just going to sign in on your account that you have created by clicking on the link provided in the description box down below. So now you're just going to proceed and then click on Link My Store, and then you're going to click on Open, and then this will proceed with your Shopify store connection to USAdrop. Now, once you have completed your sign up, you're just going to click on Next, Next, and Next. You have some basic onboarding, and your account will be created. Now, USAdrop has 3 different price points, so you can get started completely for free, and I recommend upgrading to the Pro and Plus version for more value, because this does give you a lot more when it comes to fulfillment, finding the best possible product, and exclusive discounts as well. So on your top left, you're going to see your My Store section. So this will display your store. So whatever Shopify store you have, this is our Shopify store, and this is going to be connected over here. Now, the next thing you can do is you can add other stores if you want, but we're going to be using only one store. And the best part about using USAdrop is that you can communicate with agents as well. You can manage orders, track fulfillment, and everything is designed to be beginner friendly. Now, let's talk about one of their most powerful features, and that is their product selection. So you have a product mall. So if you go into product over here and then click on find products, you will see you have winner products and top 100 products. So this enables you to find the best-selling product categories, not just random items. You can filter products by category, shipping location, price, and delivery speed. So within this, you have products that are already proven by sellers. Winner products ensure that you have a product that is already high in demand in the dropshipping industry. Products are selected based on market trends, performance, and scalability, so you know what is right for your dropshipping business. Now, when you click on any product over here, just like so, you will see the product cost, estimated shipping times, available destinations, variants, and packaging details. So for larger items, final shipping costs may vary depending on the final package dimensions and final weight after packing. This does not apply to any small items like these, but if you're trying to build a dropshipping furniture business, then that is definitely going to be impacted differently by shipping fees, and those bulky products might be calculated differently once your order is ready for fulfillment. So USAdrop strongly recommends that you confirm large products with a sales agent before listing them in your store to avoid any unexpected shipping costs and protect your profit margins. And the best part about using USAdrop is all you need to do is click on your bottom right, and just like so, you have a support agent available for you. So over here, I can view the description of the product and more details, as well as the advantage that we have. Now, another really important thing that I really love about using USAdrop is how you are able to get a dedicated agent. So whenever you're starting your dropshipping business, having your own personal agent is going to be amazing. So when you're onboarded, you have a dedicated sourcing agent that will contact you on their own. You can request custom product sourcing, you can ask them questions anytime, negotiate better pricing for higher volume, and get advice on shipping, packaging, and branding. And if you can't find a product in the product mall, your agent can help you in sourcing those products from their supplier network. This alone is a huge upgrade compared to traditional dropshipping. Another really amazing thing is that it directly connects to your Shopify store, and order syncing can be automatic and tracking numbers are sent back to your store. So this means you have no manual processing. Now, one thing that beginners miss is that before they can actually fulfill any order, they need to top up their wallet. So the first thing I'm going to do is list a product on my store. To do that, all I need to do is go into products and I can filter them by niche. But I want to go with something along the lines of fashion. So I'm going to search for fashion over here. Once I go into fashion, I'm just going to click on import. And then I'm just going to click on, I think it looks pretty decent. I'm going to go into the description, variants, and images. I do not want to sell the white variant, so I'm just going to unselect that particular variant. I only want two variants, which are going to be black and khaki. And we're just going to be doing this like so. And you guys can see I'm just going to uncheck the white variant here. Once I've done that, I can proceed and then go into images. The images are fine. Now I'm going to change the name of the product. So I want this to be Luxe Casual Pants. And then we're going to click on import to store. And then I'm going to select my Shopify store and then just click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, my product will be added to my Shopify store. So going back into Shopify, and if I go into products, you guys can see this is my product over here. So once your product is added, let's say you start receiving orders. So I'm going to place a sample order by myself. Now, once you've received an order on Shopify, you do not need to fret about it. All you need to do is go into USAdrop and then you're going to go into orders. Now, once you go into orders, you will automatically have all of your orders synced up over here and you will see the payable amount. So whenever you need to fulfill orders, you need to ensure that you have that basic amount in your USAdrop account. So make sure to top up your wallet before you're trying to fulfill orders, because if you're trying to fulfill orders that are worth, let's say $100, and you only have $80 in your USAdrop account, that fulfillment cannot be processed. So it's really important to make sure that you have topped up your wallet, and then you can sync your orders and then start fulfillment, where all you do is press one button and the orders are shipped directly to the customer's doorstep. Now, another really amazing thing is that your fulfillment status can easily be tracked and you can monitor the delivery progress. This works for whether your customer is in the United States, Europe, or anywhere else in the world. Now, this is what makes USAdrop really different, is that they have the best-selling high-demand products with worldwide fulfillment and dedicated agent support to help you get started. So if you're serious about building a real dropshipping business with reliable fulfillment, USAdrop is definitely worth considering. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to check out the link provided in the description box down below to get started with USAdrop.